This is Helium 2.0. In this video, we'll quickly walk through the redesigned settings menu. See how to efficiently customize your profile details, switch between light and dark themes, personalize Helium's AI traits, and manage your subscription and credits. Let's dive into the core features that put control back in your hands. We start on the main dashboard. First, click the menu icon in the top left and then select Settings. The Profile section is where you confirm your identity. Here we see the name fields and the essential What describes your work drop-down. Below that is the description box. This is crucial for context. The more detail you provide about your role or company, the better Helium can assist you. Next, let's look at the aesthetics. Navigate to the Theme section on the left. Under Theme, you have the classic choice, dark or light mode. You can also select an accent color to fit your style, choosing from a variety of options like Red Passion or Ion Spark. Moving on, personalization. This is where you truly shape the AI's behavior. You can confirm your preferred name and work category from your profile here. The most interesting part is, what traits should Helium have? You can select personality options like encouraging, witty, or straight shooting. For the ultimate control, you can add custom instruction to give Helium persistent, specific guidelines for all your interactions. Finally, let's review account management. Subscription in the left menu. This screen displays your total credits left and a brief breakdown of your usage. Add credits shows the available subscription plans, allowing you to choose the package that fits your operational scale. A quick look at the Credits tab reveals your payment history, where you can track past purchases and invoices. That covers the complete walkthrough of the new settings in Helium 2.0, giving you the power to fine-tune your ultimate AI workflow.